Alright, I just got this bad boy Vitamix now and I'm really enjoying it. I've been looking for a blender and this is it. First of all, the build quality is professional. I think this can be used as commercial. This is heavy duty. Everything that you touch is very simple and it's durable. I like that it's made from BPA-free Triton plastic. Now the motor is very powerful. It's 1380 watt motor. This thing can blend ice, heavy duty ice, no problem. And you get your drink. I love to make smoothies in the morning, and this thing turns out awesome. It has 10 different speed setting and allow precise blending and mixing. And I really like the cup. They have the measurements on here. You can go all the way up to about 48-ounce container, which is awesome. And another feature I really like, not only is heavy duty, there's safety feature including a array dial cooling fan and a thermal protection system for safe operation. I don't know exactly how that works, but I know that it's safe to use, which is cool. My family is going to be using it, and my cousin and nieces and my wife, so it's nice. But the main thing that I really like is that it's able to blend all the heavy ice and make it into a nice smoothie, which I like in the morning, and that's what I like. So I want to do that quick review. Hopefully that helps you, and enjoy your new blender.